if one small act of charity changed your entire Ramadan? What if something small weighed heavy on the Day of Judgment? Welcome back to our Ramadan Reminder Series, Day 31. Giving charity daily, even if it is small? Giving charity in Ramadan is one of the most powerful acts of worship that leads to the acceptance of our deeds. Even giving a small amount daily carries special value in this blessed month. The Prophet, peace be upon him, was described as being more generous in Ramadan than the blowing wind. Charity is not limited to money alone. One night you may give money. One night you may give money, another night food, another clothing, another fruit or sweets for those in need. Small acts, but consistent. Rushing to help the needy in the areas that need it most, even physically delivering aid yourself, carries great reward. Seeking out families quietly and helping them without making them feel exposed, letting the right hand give without the left knowing, brings multiplied reward. And on the day when there will be no shade except Allah's shade, secret charity will be among the deeds that protect the believer. Ramadan is the best time to build the habit of daily giving. Don't let a day of Ramadan pass without giving something. Even small charity done sincerely becomes huge with Allah. Subscribe to Light of Iman for more reminders that bring us closer to Him. May Allah make us among the generous and sincere.